Good morning guys, well, it looks like summer's finally over. Yeah, I'm going to cruise today now. It's giving out strong winds later and rain. Yeah, and it's not very warm either, so I'm going to go now. I need to empty my toilet. I stayed here longer than I should have. I was only meant to pull in, see Anthony and Paul and the guys from Narrowboat Pirate, and ended up staying the night, going to the pub. So yes, I'm going to move now and head towards Nantwich. I've got a bag of rubbish on the bow. And I could do with emptying my cassette, one of my cassettes anyway. Just stay on top of it, innit it? So yeah, so come on. See you later. Bloody, I'm not going anywhere here. So the water levels obviously dropped in the night and I was proper grounded, stuck on the bottom. So I had to push myself off all the mud and silt at the bottom and give it a load of reverse to try and just pull myself off. Whee! So the low water levels and the fact that I've got a big bum doesn't help. Now look at this guys, now this is rarer than a kingfisher. Yes, contractors cutting the grass. So that's the entrance to Nantwich Canal. Lots of people are heading there for winter, but I'm not going to go up there just yet. I'm going to just keep messing about where I can for now. So I'm on my second coffee of the day. Those that have been watching me for a while know that normally in the morning I make a big huge cafetiere. I sit and have my brew like you do, checking Facebook and shite, and then I have the other brews throughout the morning. Yeah, I like my coffee. In fact, I'll probably drink in volume more coffee than I do rum. Yeah, woohoo! So cheers! It's a bit difficult to see around all these little windy bits because of the overgrown bushes. Those contractors that were doing the reservoir, they need to come and trim these bushes as well, I think. Yeah, they just get bigger and bushier all the time, don't they, if you don't keep on top of them. It's been really lovely this year travelling with friends, and it always makes it more fun. Plus being on my own, it's a little bit of company for me, and I've really enjoyed it. And I've recently had a lot of messages from women saying they have a boat and it's on a mooring and they're a little bit apprehensive about cruising on their own. So it got me thinking, you see, and I thought, wouldn't it be ace if we got a few of us together and we all went off cruising? We had a bit of a flotilla. I think it'd be ace, like 5 or 6 of us, even more if we can. Hang on, there's a boat coming. Give me a minute, I'm navigating. Hiya. On the boat just there, well, you're in front. Alright, thanks, Lo. Sorry I kept you there, but yeah, wouldn't it be ace if we got a load of us together and we can all share our skills? I mean, because I'm in a group of women, obviously we're going to have some good cooks. Heidi, that's so sexist, you can't say that. Yes, it wouldn't be great to get a load of women together, go on a massive big flotilla and just have a load of fun? So if you are up for this, please send me a message on the socials. I mean, it'll take some organising, but we're probably looking at next year now because the weather's turning a bit crappy here. And just get a load of us together, even if it's just for a weekend or a few days, and do a big skill share, support each other, build each other's confidence, and just have a right old laugh.
Us boating women kept the canals going during the war, remember, so you don't have to be nervous.
So I'm coming to Nantwich now and it's really busy with boats. Hello. Have a little look on my pirate flag and see which way the wind's blowing. See?
So doing the services is a bit of a pain on a boat, to be honest. Everyone falls in love with the boat life and thinking it's great life and that, but you do every week to 2 weeks, depending on how many cassettes you have or the type of toilet, you do have to keep doing this. You have to find yourself some services, top your water up, empty your bins, empty your cassettes, get a pump out, whatever it is you need to do, and it takes ages. So all those that keep messaging me saying, oh, how amazing boat life is. Yes, it is. I absolutely adore it. But every week to 2 weeks, you have to come to a place like this and deal with your toilet.
So that's the facilities done. All good. And now to find somewhere to moor up, so I can go and post these badge orders and get a bit of shopping.
So that boat ahead has just left. So let's hope it was the same size as me so I can fit in the space. Woohoo! Ooh, look at that. Perfect.
So I've just got myself all moored up here at Nantwich. How lucky was that? Because it's rammed. And as that boat was coming out, I just slid in. Yeah, so brilliant. I'm in. It's deep. The water's good. I'm not on the bottom. I was on the bottom when I was moored next to Paul and Anthony. And it's a horrible feeling. But yeah, I'm all moored up here. I've emptied my cassette. I've got rid of the rubbish. So it's brilliant. So now I need to make these badge orders up, get on my bike and get into Nantwich. And Nantwich is such a beautiful town. Yeah, and get some supplies. I need some food for tonight.
So I'd only just moored up and gone inside to make a coffee, and it started to rain. I mean, we really do need the rain, but it went all dark, miserable and cold on top of all the wind that we've had. It's quite a long way down into Nantwich, so I thought I'd wait, have a brew and just chill out for a little bit.
So it's finally stopped pissing down. I'm going to now go on my bike into Nantwich. I need to pump up the tyres. So I've opened my side hatch. I've got a cigarette lighter thing there. I'm going to get them pumped up.
I love my bike. Lots of people ask me about it. It's a Brompton and it folds down really small and fits under the gunnels in my engine room. And I've also made it electric by getting a switch kit for it, which is fantastic. I couldn't be without it. Let's get them tyres pumped up. And off we go. Woohoo! So Nantwich is a charming historical market town. I absolutely love this place. It's got all beautiful timber frame buildings, it's got a memorial tribute, loads of different speciality shops, and one of the finest medieval churches in Britain, St Mary's. It's just got a really lovely vibe about it, and everything centres around a square, and there's loads of coffee shops so you can sit, get yourself a coffee, watch the world go by. I love this quaint, beautiful little town.
Hey up everyone, so the footage you've just seen then was a few weeks ago, because for those that don't know, when we record videos we tend to record a load of footage and it takes so long to edit it all, we're normally a few weeks behind. So I'm here today now, it's Thursday the 22nd of September. We buried the Queen on Monday, the Queen died, so it's been a real sad time here in the UK. But also for viewers that have watched the channel right from the beginning, we also lost little Puddin. Now Jackie was going to be here with me to do this, but she just couldn't. She couldn't face it. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you some best bits in a minute of little Puddin. But before I do that, we're going to say cheers. So grab a drink, grab a wine, a beer, an orange juice, a cup of tea, a coffee, anything you want. Obviously I've got a rum. So just grab anything you want, and we're going to cheers the Queen and our little Puddin. Okay, so cheers everyone. And here's Puddin's best bits. So guys, we've got a special visitor today. Look, it's little Puddin. He's come to see you all, haven't you? Yeah? Little snot cam. But he's lost a lot of weight and he's getting old, aren't you? But you're still very happy, aren't you, little man? Eh? Oh, Puddin. Lovely to see you both.